Why is this rubber band stuck in the sword? I don't wonder. Take it out. Ugh. Why? How can I even get it? I cannot even get it. Oof. Wow, I cannot. Oh my. No wonder. I took it off, but there's no way that can. Yeah. Wow. I think I should get anything less than a Genesis.